Welcome to a new week, spellers. It is a new week, a new month, and a new spelling rule. So let's have a look and see what we've got this week. Okay, so this week we are adding ER, EST, and ED suffixes to words that end in E with a consonant before it. So you'll remember, children, that consonant letters are any letter of the alphabet except A, E, I, O, and U. And these are called vowels, aren't they? So we're thinking about any other letter other than these ones with an E afterwards. Okay? It will become clear when we see our spelling list. So here are my spellings for this week. Let's read them together. Nicer, writer, baker, hoped, loved, largest, closest, looser, safer, and simpler. Okay, and we have these suffixes to look at this week: ER, EST, and ED. Okay, so let's have a think about the rule when we're adding these suffixes. Here I've got the root words. Okay, nice, right, bake, hope, love, large. Okay, some of the root words that these words have come from. And as you can see, just like our spelling rule told us, these root words end in an E, and they all have a consonant letter before the E, don't they? We've got a C here, T, K, P, and so on. Okay, so they all end in an E with a consonant letter before them. So if I want to turn nice into nicer, I know that I need my suffix ER. So I'm going to put that on the end now. But as you can see, children, if I just plonk it on the end there, we actually don't have the word nicer. We've got this funny word, I, S, ear, nice ear. So we've got too many E letters in here, haven't we, children? So instead of just plonking on the ER, we only need to add an R, don't we? Because we've already got the E from our sound, haven't we? So we just need to add on an R. And it's the same for the word writer. Here is my ER suffix. But if I add it on to the end, I'm going to have too many E letters in here. So all I need to add is the one R, because I've already got the E on the word right. Okay, and again for baker, we're not going to add ER to the end. We're just going to add plain old R, because we've already got the E. And when we add on the R, they work together to make that sound, don't they? Okay, let's have a look at the word hoped then. Which suffix do I need for hoped? That's right, children, it sounds like a t, doesn't it? But it's actually ed. And again, if I try to add my ed on, I'm going to end up with too many e's. So what do you think I need to do? That's right, I'm just going to add on a D, and when I do that, it's going to work with the E that's already there to make the ED for hoped. Okay, and again for loved, it's got the same ED suffix, hasn't it? But if I add ED to the end of the word love, I'm not going to get it right. It's going to be too many E's. So all I need to do is add on a D, and there I'll have it. Loved. Brilliant. Let's have a look at this word largest then. Which suffix do I need for this one? Correct, EST. Here it comes. And you've guessed it, children. If I add it on the end, if I plonk it on the end there, we're going to end up with the same problem of too many E's. So what do you think I need to do? Correct. I'm going to take away that E from my suffix and add on ST because it's going to join this E that's already there and create that EST. Okay, so for these suffixes, children, when a word ends in E and I want to put these suffixes on, I just need to take off the E from the suffix, don't I? So that I don't have double E in my word, in my new word. Okay? So today's task, children. Here are some word pots. We've got ED, ER rather, ED in the middle here, and EST over here. And we've got some words from our spelling list and some words that are not from our spelling list. Let's read them to start with. Nicer, looser, hoped, fastest, loved, nicest, writer, happiest, safer, largest, safest, widest, baked, biker, and happier. And today, children, I would like you to sort the words into the correct pot based on the suffix that it needs. So, for example, the word nicer has got ER at the end, doesn't it? So that word, nicer, would belong in the ER pot over here. So there we are, I've written it down here next to the ER pot. Now you might want to draw your own pots or just divide your page into 3 sections and write a list of words in each, okay? Pop back in a moment when you've done that and check your work. And for an extra challenge, can you think of any other words that are not here that you could put in each of these pots? Off you go. Okay, children, the ER pot, we've got nicer, looser, writer, safer, and biker and happier. In the ED pot in the middle, we've got hoped, loved, and baked. And over here in the EST pot, we've got fastest, nicest, happiest, largest, safest, and widest. Well done. Did you sit your letters on the line when you wrote them down? And did you find any other words that you could write in these pots? Let me show you some of my ideas. So I've got racer, tasted, and closest. Did you think of any more? Take a picture and show me, and I can't wait to see it. Well done. Bye.